Introducing the world of cordless vacuums, where convenience meets cleaning excellence. In today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence, and traditional corded vacuums can be cumbersome and restrictive. That's where cordless vacuums step in to revolutionize the way we clean our homes. This review takes you on a journey through the top-performing cordless vacuums in the market, helping you make an informed decision for your cleaning needs. From powerful suction to long-lasting battery life, these cordless wonders promise efficient and hassle-free cleaning. We'll delve into the best features, including versatile attachments for different surfaces, lightweight designs for easy maneuverability, and advanced filtration systems for cleaner air. We'll explore the top brands, highlighting their strengths and potential drawbacks, ensuring that you find the perfect fit for your home. But our journey doesn't end here. We invite you to be a part of our community by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Share your experiences, recommendations, and questions about cordless vacuums. Your engagement and support are invaluable to us as we strive to provide you with the latest and most comprehensive insights into the world of home cleaning. Let's embark on this cleaning revolution together and make your home a cleaner, healthier, and happier space. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more exciting updates. In the fiercely competitive landscape of cordless vacuums, HOMPANY has secured a commendable third place in our rankings, and here's why. HOMPANY's cordless vacuum cleaner is a 2023 marvel, featuring an upgraded 500W motor that delivers a remarkable 40 kPa of suction power. This powerhouse effortlessly tackles dirt, debris, and stubborn pet hair, even on high-pile carpets. What sets HOMPANY apart is its state-of-the-art LCD smart sensor panel, boasting a user-friendly interface that allows you to switch between suction modes, monitor battery life, track dust cup capacity, and receive real-time fault alerts with a simple touch. Unlike its competitors, HOMPANY has equipped its vacuum with 8*2500 mAh batteries, providing an impressive 30 minutes of maximum suction or 60 minutes at minimum suction, enabling you to tackle your entire home in one cleaning session. Recharging is a breeze, taking only 4-5 hours. The newly upgraded V-shaped rolling brush effectively prevents hair entanglement, and the vacuum's versatile brush head offers 180 degrees sideways and 90 degrees up and down swivel steering. 6 bright LED lights illuminate every nook and cranny, ensuring no hidden dust can escape your cleaning prowess. HOMPANY's cordless stick vacuum adopts an outstanding cyclone system, capturing a whopping 99.9% of tiny dust particles and purifying the air upon release. The expanded one, 5L dust cup, is easily emptied with the push of a button, making cleanup a breeze. The HOMPANY cordless vacuum offers the advantages of powerful 500W suction and an extended 60-minute runtime, but its upgraded features come at a slightly higher price point. HOMPANY's cordless vacuum is a game-changer, combining power, efficiency, and innovation for a superior cleaning experience. Homeika solidifies its second-place standing in the fiercely competitive cordless vacuum market with an array of impressive features, catering to those in search of performance, convenience, and user-friendly maintenance. One of Homeika's notable strengths is its commitment to providing real-time insights into the performance of their cordless vacuum cleaner. Users can effortlessly monitor key parameters such as runtime, floor brush status, and power modes, making it an intelligent cleaning companion. At the heart of Homeika's cleaning prowess lies its upgraded 200W motor, delivering a formidable 20 kilopascals of suction power in maximum mode. This power ensures efficient cleaning, effortlessly conquering pet hair, cat litter, dirt, and debris, whether on carpets or hard floors. A standout feature that elevates Homeika is its advanced 7-layer sealing filtering system, capable of capturing a remarkable 99.99% of fine particles down to zero. This system not only ensures cleaner air but also offers a subtle fragrance, making your home feel fresher and more inviting. What's more, the washable filters and sponges simplify maintenance and prevent performance degradation over time. Homeika's detachable high-performance battery is another advantage, providing up to 30 minutes of continuous operation. With built-in LED lights, it leaves no hidden debris unturned, illuminating even the most obscure corners. Cleaning is made even easier with the Clean Touch dirt ejector, ensuring mess-free disposal. Homeika's cordless vacuum boasts a potent 20 kilopascal suction, real-time monitoring, and washable filters, but it may have limited availability or accessories. In sum, Homeika's cordless vacuum impresses with its powerful performance, real-time monitoring, and easy maintenance. It's a top-tier choice for those seeking a robust, user-friendly, and efficient cleaning solution. Subscribe now for more great content and stay updated with us. Eureka dominates the cordless vacuum arena, claiming the top spot with an exceptional fusion of innovation, top-notch design, and unmatched quality. The RapidClean Pro stands as a testament to cutting-edge cleaning solutions, making daily chores a breeze. Eureka's cordless wonder boasts a lightweight, user-friendly design, making it a perfect choice for everyday cleaning tasks. Assembly is a cinch, and the inclusion of a convenient wall mount simplifies storage, keeping your cleaning space neat and organized. One of its standout features is the use of a rechargeable 2V lithium-ion battery technology, delivering robust power alongside an impressively long runtime. In Eco handheld mode, you'll enjoy an extended 40 minutes of cleaning, and even in Max mode, a solid 15 minutes of performance. What truly sets Eureka apart is its specially designed cyclone filtration system, adept at separating and trapping dust, debris, and larger particles with ease. Illuminated cleaning paths reveal every speck of dirt and dust, leaving no corner unclean. Eureka understands the need for convenience during cleaning. The Easy Rest feature ensures you can pause your cleaning session without worrying about the vacuum toppling over. With swivel steering and a low-profile head, you can comfortably clean even the most hard-to-reach places from any angle. The clever placement of the dust cup and handle on the front of the pole alongside the slim nozzle profile guarantees an obstruction-free experience when cleaning under furniture. Additionally, the RapidClean Pro easily transforms into a cordless handheld vacuum, complete with versatile accessories like a crevice tool and a 2-in-1 dusting brush for above-floor cleaning, both at home and in your car. Eureka's RapidClean Pro cordless vacuum excels with its lightweight design, extended battery life, and versatile accessories, making daily cleaning tasks efficient and hassle-free. Eureka's RapidClean Pro is a true game-changer in the world of cordless vacuums, combining cutting-edge technology, user-friendly design, and versatility to provide an exceptional cleaning experience. In the world of cordless vacuums, Eureka's RapidClean Pro leads the pack with its excellence. We hope this review has been helpful in your search. For more informative content, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us.